Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share apps inside WhatsApp. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, let's say you've just downloaded an awesome app and you want to share that with your friends inside WhatsApp. So what you need to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store. For this demonstration, this video, I'm going to share Snapchat. So I'm going to type in Snapchat. Click onto Snapchat. This works for any app or game. Click into that app or game. And then click on the three vertical dots. Should be located top right hand corner of your screen. And then click on the share button. And then click on copy URL. Like that. And then head back to your home screen. And now click into WhatsApp. Head over to your chats and then find that person or user where you want to send that app to. So for this example, I'm going to use Birchie. And then click on to message. And it's simple as pasting in that link to send it to that user. And now once that user sees that message, they can click into that link and that opens up their Play or App Store to download that game or app. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.